Hey guys, today we're going to discuss about drone accessories. And before anything else, I just want to acknowledge the beauty of this scorpion shirt that I have. I just want to put that through because the thing is, I literally love it. Okay, so yeah, also apologize for the microphone sticking in here because I really love this microphone. Okay, as we all know, I'm a big fanatic of drones. I really love flying drones. I'm a sucker for it. I really like flying it on a small hole, doing some cinematic shots and flying it as far as I can, go to mountains, go near water. And I've had a lot of incidents with a drone. I hurt myself flying it indoors. I crashed a drone on my first time because I panicked. I dropped it, and also I flew my Mavic Air just months ago, and I lost it. I really like that drone. But anyway, I'm going to discuss about the Mavic 2 Pro, what accessories you need to have, what I personally think are the best accessories to get initially if you just got the drone. Okay, let's start it. Okay, for the Mavic Pro 2, the thing is, the first thing you need to get if you got the drone is, aside from the accessories, the batteries, and the chargers and everything else, you need to get the propeller holder. These are propeller holders. This two here. This one's from PGY Tech. So I really recommend these ones here. It was first introduced to me by a mate, Marlon. He was flying this drone. He just got his Mavic 2 Pro ahead of me, and I was looking at it like, nice drone. I want to have one. But anyway, he showed me this one here. And what's nice about this is, unlike the previous drones, unlike the Mavic Pro, this drone here has the silent propellers, as you can see. And these silent propellers are so sharp. Like, they're a bit tilted on the tip. And every time I keep my drone, I put my drone there, I almost hit myself. And it keeps on moving around. And when you put it in your bag, you hit yourself with these. And these needs to be sharp or like pointed. That way it's gonna work properly. But the thing is, if you have this lying around, you're gonna hurt yourself, or you're gonna hurt the drone, or maybe like have it bent. These ones here, keep it how do you say that one? Keep it These ones here keep the propellers in place. Like you just strap them around, and it's the other way around. So you strap it around, and you see these ones here. They should match up with the form factor of your propeller. How do you show it? I do it right. That's it. So it should fit there. And let me put it back. There you go. These will keep the propellers in place, and it's not going to move around. So there's another one underneath. It's just this one here. And this one, well, you just slide it through here. And voila. Here. And voila, your propeller's in place. It's not going to move around. So yeah. So this is the PGY Tech propeller holder. Yeah, I think so. Because they hold the propellers. There you go. Okay, so I'm gonna take this off. So those are the first ones you need to get, because those are the cheapest ones you can get for the drone. And also it works. Like, even if you don't have any other upgrades on the drone, that one really helps a lot. Like, every time I put the drone in my bag, I don't hurt myself. The drone's intact. The propellers don't go all over the place. I really recommend it. Yeah, I do. So the next one you need to have is the retractable Polar Pro landing gear. Well, you can use any other landing gears, but for this case, I really like the Polar Pros. These are the Polar Pros landing gear. so it stays there when you keep your drone, so you don't need to remove them. The previous drone I have, you need to like remove it from the drone, put it back in the drone, remove it, put it back whenever you use it. This one is here, just put it in the drone and there you go, it's there. Okay, and for this one, what you need to do is like you can search them on YouTube or anything. You can look for things online about it, but as for now, I'm going to show you the basics. Like for this part here, you just flick this down and flick the other one down, and for the back part, this one here, just flick it down. There you go. So the drone is going to stand around an inch off the ground. So the good thing about that is you're not going to hit your camera on the ground while you're trying to turn it on. If there are if there's grass all over the place, when you try to start your drone, it's not going to mow through the grass and cut the grass, hit a stick or anything. You're not going to ruin your drone. And also, it's going to keep the underbody away from the ground, so if you land on an even surface, it doesn't hit the underside. The underside is so important because it has sensors underneath, it has the LED lights, it has heaps of sensors. The camera's also near the ground, so it's best to have this ones here. And the pros with this one is that, yeah, you just fold them. And there, it's hidden. So yeah. So also, if you have the basic Mavic Pro, if you want a good LCD, you can try to get the Crystal Sky. The Crystal Sky is a good LCD for your drone. The previous Mavic Pro, they use this adapter. Well, I'm not going to discuss more about it. It doesn't fit with the new Mavic. The good thing about it now is you can get one from still the same company, which is PGY Tech. They have this one's here. So as for the Crystal Sky, you need to mount this here, and then yeah, like this is the drone controller. All you have to do is just get this, put it on the controller just like a normal phone. Sorry, there you go. So, and I attach this part here on the drone, on the LCD, not in the drone, and then you just slide this through here. Slide. Yeah. There you go. Just slide it through. So you're gonna have the LCD there. So the good thing about this one here is that it's gonna hold the Crystal Sky properly. It's really sturdy. It's not gonna fall off anytime. It's really good. And what I like about this compared to the Polar Pro, because the Polar Pros has the holder also, but for this one, look, when you try to remove the LCD off here, and then you try to keep this, it's not a big form factor. You just turn it around, and yeah, it's just like a small cell phone that you can put with your LCD and hide it. So it's easy to hide. It's really portable. So yeah, it's really good compared to the Polar Pro, which is massive. So yeah, get a PGY Tech Crystal Sky holder. Okay. For those who got the DJI Smart Controller, just like I did, what accessory I can advise you to get are these ones here. They're not that expensive. They're the rubber covers, so they cover out the USB and the HDMI port. That way you won't have any dust, any debris in there. It's gonna be covered. There was another one here, but I lost it, so that was my fault. But anyway, yeah, for this one also you need to have a screen protector. That way you can protect your precious screen. Yeah, so these are the basic accessories you can put onto your Mavic Pro setup. You can either have the Crystal Sky monitor, you can have your phone, you can have the smart controller. But yeah, those are the basic ones you need to get. Okay, so in summary, you just need to have this propeller holder, which works very well with the drone, which helps you a lot also. And also, if you have money to upgrade some more, then you can get the retractable landing gear from Polar Pro. And yeah, those are the basic things. And these ones here, you don't really need to get these. And if you're just starting, if you're just learning to fly the drone, you don't really need to get these. But if once you have these, you can either get the Crystal Sky monitor, which is this one, and get the holder for the Mavic. Or if you have this, just get the covers. Those are the basic updates. Upgrades that you can have, accessories that you can have for the Mavic. So yeah, that's it. So if you have room for more upgrades, you can get the ND filters. They're really helpful in getting cinematic shots with your drone, but I haven't tested this that much, so that will be in the next video, maybe in the future. I don't know. Yeah, that's it. See ya, guys. Bye.